The temperature is holding at 5.8. Do you have the origin certificates?
Yes, here are the health reports and the certificate of origin. Everything looks to be in order.
NFC-enabled identification chips provide real-time location data, ensuring complete supply.
The data is recorded in the quality management days. Our SPNMs analyze the weight distribution.
Systematic check of the elk hide surface confirms natural marks and growth patterns, recording regional thickness variations in Section 3.
Texture Analysis Station utilizes USB-connected digital inspection cameras linked to analysis software, allowing easy Asian mill inspectors to document the
Day trends. The defect distribution is trending upward, especially the thickness profiles.
But the acceptance rate is still within tolerance.
We need
First stage washing operation begins as workers load approximately 550 kilograms of elk hides into Swiss-built.
Close-up interior view through the drum's reinforced glass observation port shows elk hides tumbling at 9 RPM, maintaining optimal material movement.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates continuous flow centrifugal separators extracting suspended solids at 8,000 RPM, continuously removing contaminants.
13.13.25. Primary rinse cycle initiates as 4,500 liters of filtered water at optimal temperature.
I'm seeing some remaining soiled spots on this section.
Understood. Send this batch back for targeted cleaning immediately.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing combined enzyme systems loaded into the drum along with the elk hide.
I'm still seeing residue here in the folds.
Yes, the scale patterns show incomplete cleaning. We need another cycle.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs continuous dewatering systems with controlled G-forces up to 50 G, carefully processed.
The pH is right at 7.
Conductivity is well within limits.
Residuals confirmed below 50 ppm. Batch authorized.
Workers carefully submerge the cleaned elk hides into 18,000-liter modular processing tanks with integrated agitation systems.
The pH and temperature are within range.
Verified moisture uptake. We can advance to liming.
Close-up view through sapphire crystal viewports providing scratch-resistant clarity installed in the drum wall. Review.
We're ready for the next batch. Are the tools set?
Yes, the scuds are sharpened for the splitting.
Sophisticated fleshing and splitting operations facility handles elk hide processing, incorporating advanced
Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process elk leather through mechanical removal of subcutaneous...
The subcutaneous layer separation is perfect on this batch.
Agreed. The tensile strength in the lab confirms it meets the premium boot standard.
The German slicer is holding tolerance perfectly.
Good. Check the thickness on that last batch.
Industrial-scale fleshing and delivery processes elk wool remuneration.
Take a look at this cross-section. The fleshing operation was precise.
Yes, and the data from the rheometer confirms the elasticity standards are met. Incorporating advanced manufacturing methodologies, our comprehensive testing ensures every square meter meets the rigorous standards for premium boots.
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues, with experienced female technicians monitoring critical parameters.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled Caucasian male operators manage the...
Industrial-scale chromium tanning processing operations process elk leather through chemical stabilization and incorporating advanced manufacturing. Our facility ensures every square meter meets rigorous standards for premium boots. The tensile strength results are consistent with the chromium levels.
Excellent. This batch is approved for cutting.
Ensure the machinery is calibrated for the next run.
Yes, all critical parameters for the premium leather formation are being monitored.
Industrial-scale chromium tanning processes elk leather, utilizing high-capacity equipment and computerized...
Computer-controlled automation systems with experienced East Asian male technicians monitoring critical parameters, ensuring sophisticated dyeing and coloring facility, color application facility.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where elk hides undergo pigment...
Experienced African American technicians, monitoring technicians.
Professional dyeing and color application proceeds as skilled operators manage the elk hide materials through
Advanced dyeing and color application continues, where elk hides undergo pigment penetration using...
The moisture levels are stable across the batch.
Good. The automated inspection is clear on the last 3 hides.
Sophisticated drying and conditioning operations incorporate advanced manufacturing methodologies and
The moisture levels are stabilizing right on target, 0.92%.
Excellent. The dimensional stability looks perfect.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process elk leather, utilizing high-capacity processing equipment and
Advanced softening and duct processing continues in the specialized processing area where
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing operations. Process elk leather through fiber.
Our advanced methodologies ensure the fibers are perfectly manipulated, meeting the rigorous standards for premium boot manufacturing.
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing operations process elk leather through fiber manipulation and
The tensile strength is well within the required parameters.
Excellent. The texture analysis confirms the fiber integrity.
Check the tensile strength on this batch.
Reading at acceptable parameters, confirming premium grade.
advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization using industrial-grade equipment, including German-engineered machinery. Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in this specialized processing area, using German-engineered machines.
Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where elk hides undergo. Advanced final quality control and packaging continues in the specialized processing area, where elk hides undergo.